Okay, so this is a very brief video on how to connect an Apple iPad Mini to the Dji Mavic Mini controller. As you can see, the difference between the new Mavic Mini controller and the old Mavic controller is the old one had a USB connection on the bottom that you can plug directly into. So, you can see better there. The new one does not have that. So you're limited to connection straight through from the side here. Now you can get a longer version of the supplied cable on Amazon. It's about 12 quid. There are alternatives, but you may have one of these laying around at home. It's a Samsung OTG cable for your smart device. It may have come in the box. Some of the newer ones now come with just a dongle, so it's this basically with a micro USB connection on the bottom of it. It's much shorter. But yeah, that's literally all you need. Plug that in the side. Install your iPad. Use your Apple Lightning cable. Plug it straight in. And you can probably tidy this up a little bit better with a connection on the back or something. But for demonstration purposes, it's fine. Just takes a couple of seconds for it to connect. There you go. Yeah, hope that's useful.